I became a doctor because I started playing a lot of sports. I'm pretty tall, so I had to make a lot of visits to the doctor's office. I think my favorite one was the orthopedic surgeon. Getting the patients to feel better, to walk better, to be active again, to see those patients go home happy and satisfied and walking and moving normally, that's, I think, what's my main reward about being an orthopedic surgeon. I would say my unique approach to address patients and to treat patients would be the personal attention. I make sure that they understand very well what they're going to go through and what they should and they should not expect. I like working a lot with foreign patients, first of all because you see a lot of other cultures and that they follow all the instructions very, very accurately, and that they just recover fast and soon. That's what I've seen, and that's what I like the most, I think.